So previously I have shared so many easy and affordable wall makeover ideas like this one, this one, this one, and this one. And here I am with yet another easy and affordable wall makeover but like always, I'll first share some news with you. And the first news is that Elite Earth giveaway is over now, and I'm announcing the winners. So Gurpreet and I had really tough time to pick just two winners, but thanks to all of you who have participated. So here are the two winners. First one is MAMATHA SRINIVAS and second one is RAJKUMARI BATHEJA. I hope I am pronouncing it right. Okay, so congratulations to both of you. Please send me your shipping address as soon as possible. I'll add my mail ID in description box below. Okay, and the second news is, but before I go ahead and tell you the second news, I would request you to pause the video and turn on the CC because this message will be in Hindi. So are you done? ओके तो मैं ये शेयर करना चाहती थी कि बहुत सारे मुझे मैसेजेस और मेल्स आए हैं कि मैं वीडियोस हिंदी में बनाऊं। तो मेरे पास अभी इतना समय नहीं है कि मैं दो तरह के वीडियो शूट कर पाऊँ, हिंदी में और इंग्लिश में। तो इतना मैं कर सकती हूँ कि जो मेरे वीडियोस ऑलरेडी मैंने बनाए हुए हैं उन्हें मैं हिंदी में डब करके और अपने दूसरे चैनल पे पब्लिश कर सकती हूँ। मैंने 2014 में एक और चैनल बनाया हुआ है जिसका नाम है designdecoranddisha। तो जो भी सब्सक्राइबर्स हिंदी में मुझे सुनना चाहते हैं, हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं मेरे वीडियोस को, वो उसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें। और मैं उस पर पब्लिश करना तभी शुरू करूँगी जब मुझे लगेगा कि वहाँ काफ़ी सब्सक्राइबर्स हो गए हैं, जिससे कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को फ़ायदा पहुँच सके। तो यही मेरा मैसेज था। और इसके मेरे आप हिंदी चैनल की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है नीचे, जिसे आप क्लिक करके और सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने दोस्तों को जो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं वीडियोज़, उन्हें आप सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं। So that's it. Okay, so now we'll continue in English again. So let's begin the makeover. So this is how the wall is looking right now. Some spots and stains and lots of holes. As you can see, these are the holes because TV was installed here earlier, and these are the holes. I had hung some picture frames here, and now first I'll remove this decal. It's been here since quite long, and now it's time to remove it. And whenever I make a video sitting here in this corner of the sofa, then sometimes this part of the decal is visible. So I used to get comments like, there is a huge spider behind you on that wall. So now I'm getting rid of all these spiders. So the decal has been removed, and now what I'm gonna do is I'll fill all these holes with putty. As a tip, whenever you start painting your wall, it's a good idea to wipe off the dust first. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'll just wipe off all the dust. Now apply the masking tape. It's time to paint. Look at these lovely colors. And I got this mint green color. Let's give it a good mix. Oh, this is actually not what I wanted. So first I'll check the color on the wall under the basin. So I did not like this color because it's not going well with my furniture and soft furnishing. I have a warm color palette. So what I'm doing now is that I have this leftover paint. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using this leftover paint, and then I'm mixing this in this color that I just got. So this is what I got, this color, and this color is just perfect because my soft furnishing and I can say the color palette of my living room is warm, and this color will definitely look good. So I'm going with this color now. It's 9 p.m. on the clock and my setup is ready. I'm gonna paint this wall now. Everything is ready. I have covered all the other things, the adjacent wall and TV unit, everything. Two coats are done. Now I'll let it dry and tomorrow morning I'll stencil the wall. Remember, when the color is still wet, it will look quite different. So don't panic, because as it dries it will look just perfect. Okay, so these are the things you will need. One tray, sponge roller or stencil brush, any of these, and paint of your choice, then this masking tape, stencil, and keep one cloth handy, damp cloth handy, so that if there is any spot or stain of paint, you can easily wipe it off when the paint is still wet. Okay, so now what I'm doing is, as you can see that here it is quite close, this cutout, this pattern that you see on the stencil is quite close to the edge. So what I'm doing here is I'll just put the masking tape here so that accidentally my brush or roller doesn't go beyond this. The same I'll do this side as well. So I have masking tape in place, and now I'm so excited to show you how to stencil the wall. So let's begin. First, stick the stencil on the starting point. Load stencil brush with color and offload it a bit on paper towel, and now paint design on the wall with the stencil brush using circular motion method. either you can use circular motion or just tap tap tap, but I prefer circular motion because of smooth finish. Now gently remove the stencil. Every time you remove the stencil off the wall, then just check the reverse side. If there is any paint, what you can do is put the front side down and then just wipe it off gently, just like this. It's clean and you're good to go. Here's a quick look and I'm already loving it. Since there is no enough space for damask stencil, I'll be using this wine stencil and I'm following the same steps. Place the stencil, load the brush, offload it and then paint the stencil. Now let's see how the wall started transforming stencil by stencil. And now some before and after clips. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the makeover. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment because I love reading your genuine feedback. Don't forget to share it with like-minded people. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, love, luck and sunshine.